Hello you all. Today we are going to have a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to show you how I made these custom coffee mugs using just nail polish and water. So this is how they look. Stay tuned and I'll show you step by step how to complete this. Alright, so getting started, I got a bowl of water that's big enough to fit my coffee mug. I actually put a plastic bag over the bowl so that I won't have a hard time cleaning out the nail polish. I picked up the coffee mugs from Dollar Tree for $1, of course. And I have a few nail polishes that I'll be using. So first, I will do the pink Sally Hansen. I'm not sure if it really matters what kind of polish you use. I just got this from Walmart and it was the cheapest one, like $1.97. So I just bought it because it was cheap. So what you'll do is pour the polish as close to the water as you can. And I'll just go in a circle like this. And I'll add another color. This is OPI. I've had this for years, but as long as the polish isn't sticky or anything, then it'll work just fine, even if it's old, as long as it's not sticky. Add that as well. So that's how it looks so far. And I'll add just a little bit more pink in the color I just added. Like so. If you pour it too far from the water, then the polish will sink to the bottom. So you want to get it as close as possible. Then I take a skewer, the end of it, just to bring it in, make a little design like such. And I think I'll add a little bit more of the darker color since it's not much in it. So I add a little bit. And this is a quick and easy tutorial. I just tried it on my own like 10 minutes ago for the first time. So this is my second time doing this. Kind of move it around. You want to try to get it ready as soon as possible because the polish will dry on water pretty quickly. So that's how that looks. So now, I actually like to dip mine from the side. I'm sure you can do the entire glass, but because I may be adding vinyl to these, I'd rather just do the side. So at an angle, like such. Try not to get it on the inside. Then you just pull it back out. So that's how it looks. Get it to drip off a little bit. I see some lumps in the front, but I'll get those to run down. So here's that. And I'll add a phrase or a name on the sides. Alright, and then I'll do one more with the solid color. Move this. With the solid color mug, I'm going to do another pink one with the Sally Hansen polish. This one is called Heart of Stone, just in case you want to get the same color, pink. Just pour it in the water, same way we did the first time. Like so. And you really don't have to put that much, but you want to put enough to show, so you'll be able to see it well on the coffee mug. And you just dip it. Same way we did the first time. And I'm kind of gonna rotate it. Like this. And if you go too far up towards the drinking area, then you can use nail polish remover. To remove it. And that's how it looks. So it's kind of like a marble effect. And you can also turn it and dip the other side, but I actually like how this looks with this design. So this, that, and any mistakes you want to get rid of, remember all you have to do is use the nail polish remover. I'll actually cover these in Mod Podge. They do make dishwasher safe, but I prefer with the custom items, you just wash it by hand instead of putting it in a dishwasher. So yes, that was a pretty easy and quick tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Whatever you can do so we can boost our channel, be able to add videos even more. Thank you for watching and have a good day.